Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be sharing 5 essential tips designed to boost your earnings and efficiency on the road for Doordash drivers. So whether you're new to the platform or looking to optimize your delivery routine, and if that sounds about right, then let's dive right in. So number 1, be selective about orders. So not all orders are created equal. Instead of accepting every order that pops up, be strategic, consider the distance and of course the order size before accepting. Closer orders or those with larger totals can significantly increase your earnings per hour. So don't worry about the 70% acceptance rate, which of course is a myth, and being selective can lead to more profitable runs. Number 2, use a mileage tracking app. Your car isn't just transportation, it's your office on wheels. Keep track of every mile you drive for Doordash as potential tax deductions. So utilizing mileage tracking apps to make this process easy will help you in the long run, and turning those miles into money saved is a smart financial move. Number 3, deliver during busy periods. So as you all know, timing is crucial, so peak times, typically around lunch and dinner, see a surge in demand and earnings. Paying attention to the Dash Now feature in your app is your cue to go dashing. So delivering during busy periods means more orders, more deliveries, and ultimately more money. Synchronize your schedule with peak times to maximize your earnings. Number 4, maintain good customer service. So in a world driven by apps and automation, never underestimate the part of politeness and professionalism. Simple gestures like a friendly greeting or a smile can significantly enhance the delivery experience. Building a positive rapport with customers leads to higher tips and fosters a connection beyond just transaction. And finally, number 5, take regular breaks. While it may seem counterintuitive when chasing earnings, regular breaks are essential for sustained success. Resting isn't just about physical rest, it's equally about mental recharge. So continue driving without breaks can lead to fatigue and decreased performance. Schedule breaks to refresh and maintain peak performance throughout your shifts. And of course, remember, a well-rested driver is a safe and efficient driver. And there you have it. Those were the 5 tips for Doordash drivers to make your work more profitable and of course enjoyable. Feel free to leave a like and of course subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in another video.